Welcome. In today's guide, we'll walk you through how to view groups in common with a contact on WhatsApp using the PC app. With the latest update, this process is quick and straightforward. Let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp app on your PC. Make sure you're logged in and ready to go. You'll see your chat list displayed on the main screen. Next, locate the contact whose shared groups you want to explore. Scroll through your chat list or use the search bar at the top to find their name. Once you've found them, click on their chat to open the conversation. Now, look at the top of the chat window. Click on the contact's name or profile picture. This will open their contact information page, where you can access various details about them. On the contact information page, you'll notice several tabs like Media, Links, and more. Look for the tab labeled Groups and click on it. This tab will display a list of all the groups that you and this contact are both members of. From here, you can browse through the list of shared groups. If you want to visit any specific group, simply click on its name, and WhatsApp will take you directly to that group's chat. And that's it. You've successfully viewed all groups in common with a contact on WhatsApp using your PC. This feature is incredibly useful for organizing conversations and staying connected with shared communities. Thanks for tuning in. If this guide was helpful, share it with others who might benefit from it. Stay updated for more tips and tricks, and happy chatting.